Hi guys, welcome to a new video on the channel. This video will handle about the mower there. There is a belt broken and I have to put a new belt on the machine, so stay tuned for that. As you can see, one knife was bent pretty well because of the two knives were hitting each other with great force. I had to help myself this way because my son was occupying my oil pit with his Corvette while he was working on that for several days. I took a lot of pictures to make it a lot easier when I had to reassemble everything after working on the machine. I will show you in a minute how I took off all the covers. When all the covers were off, I had to take a lot of pictures of how the belt was around all those wheels, how I had to lay it down around the pulleys and between the pulley and the guides, because putting the belt back on was not an easy task, and this would make it a lot easier for sure. So the belt needs to come here and under this cover, and to remove this cover, I already removed this cover here. This big one. Then we have this smaller one here that came from the other side. That came from on here, you see. But now I have to remove this cover here because the belt has to go on the wheel what's inside here. And to remove this cover, I unscrewed it all around, and this pulley has to come off here. Also the brake, this iron here, has to come off, and there in the back there is another pulley that has to come off also, to be able to put this cover away so that I can put the new belt on. And that's what we are going to do now. This has to come off here, and this iron plate has to come off, and then in the back there somewhere is another pulley that has to come off too. So let's begin. So this wheel is out. That was here. Now we have to remove those springs here and here, and I already screwed I already took the screw out here, so now I think I have to lose that one there behind, so, and remove the springs so I can lift this away here. So I laid the cover aside here. I took it out here, laid this plate with the springs out of the way, so now we can put on the new belt. Let's go to get it. So here is the broken belt. Put it aside, and here is the new one. Now we are going to put it in this pattern. I designed it here for ease, assembling ease, and let's try it. So in order to get the belt on this pulley here, I loosened this spanner bolt to get this wheel a little bit more inwards, so it releases the tension here, but I have to loosen and remove at least this one here, this stud, to get the belt, because the belt won't go in between here. And here perhaps I have to remove this one too, but we will try to do it first with one, and we will see. So the belt is on, and we did it by taking this wheel out and the spanner in the most loose position. It was certainly not easy, but we finally got it on its place. So now the assembling can begin. As you can see here, the mower works and mows like new again. You can see it here in the pasture. And I have to say that without ChatGPT, it was probably impossible to make this repair, because thanks to ChatGPT I could find where I could buy that belt, because the machine is more than 10 years old and it was nowhere to find. So now there you have some drone footage of when I was mowing the pasture here. And while I am doing that, I would like to ask you to hit the thumbs up to if you like the video. Please hype it, because that would help me a lot to get it monetized, because there I have to do a lot more work, because I don't have the 4,000 hours that I need for that. So please hit the like button, subscribe, and do some hyping. With that being said, I hope you liked the video. Visit us on Facebook, Instagram, and X. Most of all, have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.